What's up, Chiliz holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Hope you have a good day today. Today I'm going to show you the new updates of Chiliz. My friends, first of all, before starting this interesting video, I want to congratulate all Chiliz holders. Why I want to congratulate? Because yesterday, you know what occurred yesterday in the market? The whole cryptocurrency's price is going down. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba, the fastest moving cryptocurrency's price is negative yesterday. But now, the Chiliz is the unique cryptocurrencies in which the yesterday pricing is positive. Yesterday pricing is positive and the Chiliz, so I want to congratulate that Chiliz have a good idea. And Chiliz, I hope if the price not fast yesterday, so they will continue this term for a very long time. Anyways, before seeing the more details, before talking more about the Chiliz, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, the latest price of Chiliz in the market is 0.276271 USD dollar. Is the latest price of the Chiliz in the market. And on the other side, if we talk about the price changes occurring in the Chiliz, so my friends, I already told you that the pricing is going very better. And you know what, I'm very happy when I see this kind of positive change occur in the Chiliz. The both changes is positive, or last 1 hour, last 1 day. The both changes is going positive. That is why I'm feeling very happy. And you know what, how do you feel today about the Chiliz? I'm feeling 100% good. Let's see the price chart of the Chiliz and let's do a technical. My friends, Chiliz is in the quick jump. You know what my friends, on the 10th June the whole cryptocurrency market is fast down, but on the 10th June the Chiliz take a quick jump going straight. You can see here on the 10th June. Now this time the price is also moving upward, and I'm very happy to see this kind of positive changes occur in the Chiliz. What you think? Tell me in the comment box. And please, my friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channels for more news and updates videos, my friends. What is your opinion and what is your prediction about Chiliz? Please tell me in the comment box. My prediction is positive. I believe that they will continue this term for a long time. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.